everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Harjeet and I am thrilled to have you here today. If you are an electrician looking to supercharge your business in the digital world, you are in the right place. Together, we are going to explore why every electrician should harness the power of the internet by developing their own website. First things first, let's talk about why electricians should have their own website. Reason number 1, visibility. In today's digital world, where does everyone turn when they need a service? That's right, the internet. Having a website ensures that the potential customers can find you with just a few clicks. Reason number 2, credibility. A professional website shows that you are serious about your business. It's like putting on your best suit for a job interview. It gives potential customers confidence in your skills and expertise. Reason number 3, accessibility. With a website, you are open for business 24/7. Whether it's a middle of the night or a holiday weekend, customers can learn about your services and even schedule appointments at their convenience. And finally, reason number 4, growth. A website is not just a static page. It is a platform for you to showcase your work, share helpful tips and resources, and even expand your reach through social media and search engine optimization. Alright, so now that you are convinced about the importance of having a website, let's talk about what pages should you include to make it shine like a freshly wired circuit. First up, the home page. This is your digital storefront where visitors get their first impressions of your business. Keep it clean, concise, and captivating to hook them in. Next, the services page. Here's where you showcase what you offer. Whether it's a wiring installations, repairs, or maintenance, give potential customers a detailed rundown of your expertise. Now, let's talk about us. People want to know the faces behind the business. So, share your story, highlight your experience, and let your personality shine through. Moving on to testimonials. Nothing builds trust like hearing from satisfied customers. Feature glowing reviews and testimonials to reinforce your reputation. Don't forget contact us. Make it easy for potential clients to get in touch. Include a contact form, a phone number, email address, and even your physical location if you have a storefront. Last but not the least, the blog. This is your chance to share your expertise, offer valuable insights, and engage with your audience. Plus, it helps boost your website's visibility in search engines. The essential pages every electrician's website should have. From homepage to the blog, each one plays a pivotal role in showcasing your services, building trust, and driving business. Now, you must be wondering, what's the shock to my wallet? Well, fear not, let's shed some light on the cost of developing a website. First off, you have to consider the domain name and hosting. It's like a renting space on the internet for your website to live. Prices can vary depending on the provider and the features you need, but you can expect to pay anywhere from $10 to $100 per year. Then, don't forget about ongoing maintenance and updates. Just like electrical systems need regular checkups, your website must stay fresh and functional. Budgeting around $50 to $200 per month should cover it. Finally, there are additional features and add-ons to consider. E-commerce functionality, booking systems, or premier plugins can increase the overall cost. It's like adding extra circuits to handle more power. So, when you add it all up, the cost of developing a website can vary depending on your needs and preferences. But remember, it's an investment in your business future, one that can pay off big time in the long run. Now, if you're ready to flip the switch of your website dreams but feeling a bit of overwhelmed, don't worry, we are here to help you. Softtrix is a trusted name in website development with a team of experts ready to bring your vision to life. From sleek designs to seamless functionality, we have got you covered every step of the way. With Softtrix, you will get personalized service tailored to your unique needs. Whether you are a solo electrician or a small business with a team, we will craft a custom solution that fits your budget and exceeds your expectations. Plus, Softtrix offers ongoing support and maintenance to keep your website running smoothly, so you can focus on what you do the best, that is providing top-notch electrical services to your clients. So why stress about building your website alone when you can partner with the pros at Softtrix? Let us handle the technical stuff while you shine bright in your field. That's all for today. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.